G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. Today I am riding between Ballarat and Creswick. We've just hit our first bit of dirt for the day. Wallaby track. So never ridden through here before, so today I've picked up what I think is a main route between Ballarat and Creswick. I plan on doing a lot of riding through here, so for my first trip I want to just stick to the main road, not get too distracted by side tracks. Have a look in here, Slaty Creek #1. Oh, you got something good? What do we got? So we've got some toilets. Nice little rotunda there. That's a nice campground. Tables and chairs, nice creek. Yeah, really nice. Righto, some campers down there. Just have a look, what's that one? Slaty Creek #2. Right, Scully Road, we'll go down and have a look. Cool. Cool. I reckon someone's been gold panning there. Cool, very nice. Hold up, where am I going? Left. I'm just going to go and have a look up there first. Let's just go have a little look up here. See what these mounds are about. So we're in Old Goldfields area, so there's a lot of mine shafts. Check that out. Crap. Oh wow, that one's deep. I'm just going to have to go up here and have a look, aren't I? Have a little look. Oh, got a log. So my plan to take a nice direct route through the middle of this place, so I got my bearings, isn't working very well because I've got no idea where I am now. So this is Blue Waters I'm heading for. Oh, should I go up that? Yep. Oh, got my foot on that. Yeah, this is a lake called Blue Waters. I think it was left over from a mine. I'm not sure exactly. I can't remember the exact history of it. I think it's like more recent, like maybe 60s or 70s, something like that. Don't think it's 1800s anyway. Which way am I going? That way maybe? We'll go to the right. That looks like it'd be very slippery when wet. Far out. Feel like I should be over that side. Yeah, well, we might play it safe and go over here. Keep out of the water. I don't know how boggy that stuff is. It goes for a while. Righto, we'll go up on our feet. Whoa. Oh mate, what do we got here? More mud. Might go up that way, I think. Bloody hell. Ooh. That's right. It's a bit of a challenge to get here. What is the next right out of all that? Should be going over there, I think. Ooh. Or it doesn't matter. Far out. Where is this bloody lake? Maybe just up there. We're getting tracks going everywhere. Really? I think I'm just going up there, but bloody hell. What's around that way? I just don't trust these mud pits. Let's get my tyre in there. Beautiful. Oh fuck's sake. Up that, you reckon? There is a lookout on the eastern side of it, which is probably a lot easier. And this looks better. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, man. How cool is that? woods first, we don't want to ride off that. I think I'd come up that one. We'll try this one, hey? Oh, she looks steep though. This is the one that had all the clay. This is where I was meant to go to start with. Yeah, we'll go and have a look. Oh, look at that. There you go. Yeah, nice. Anyway, that's cool. Now I've got to try and get back out of here. There's a track going that way, but looks pretty blocked off. We'll go back the way we came. And where's that big mud pit? Oh, mate. Ah, bugger. How did I get around there? Bloody hell. Yeah. That'll do it. Oh, it's not a good spot to be in. Fuck. Am I getting better or worse? Ooh, we're nearly there. How wet's that gonna be? A Culture Cafe. Nice. Well, that is Creswick. I'm going to sign out for now. I am going to head back through those dirt roads, so if anything interesting happens, I'll turn the cameras back on. Thanks a lot for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.